You don't need to blaze a trail.
Yeah!
You're really screwing up this area that is not meant for trucks.
Daddy!
Please take this to the police.
Wow, we were at the farm, windshield guy was here, and check this out. New windshield for the 96 Tacoma. Tell me how old this is. New speed air filter. Got to put the snorkel back in. Had to remove it so he could get the windshield in. Looks good with a new shield.
My dad just got his old Tacoma running, Taco Zombie. So I thought we could go down to the creek. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's get in this honky tonk.
You want to get out and film me going up the hill?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I guess I'm coming up now. Oh my God. You do not realize how steep this is.
I gotta be careful. Brand new windshield. I don't want to break it.
Yeah. We just gotta put in today. Oh God. First log. No, like down here in the woods. It's like a bowl shape.
Ooh,
Ooh.
there's some kids coming down to fish. Looks like a whole tree fell down.
Well, Dad, we should go down there 5 feet first to see if
how
it's
bad it is?
Yeah. You don't know how much it's changed over the years.
It's been so long, it's really rutted too. I don't know if we will make it back up. There's a tree.
Oh, here I want. Oh.
There's another tree.
They're watching us.
That is gnarly. It's all sorts of beat up. It's cool. I didn't think I would see that going down that.
When we come around the corner, we're like, oh no.
We thought it was gonna roll down the hill.
We're just walking down to see if it's rutted real bad. We went down like a little bit already.
Whoa, look, this guy can't even make it. Dude, too bad I didn't get that on camera.
Yeah, that would have been funny.
It's pretty treacherous here to get down this trail, you guys. That is rutted bad. That rut's actually gonna help us because there's not as much snow in it. All right, I'm done walking.
Think you can make it?
Yeah.
Here she comes creeping down her old tracks. There you go. Okay, stop. Okay, now we gotta get a different position.
That truck's pretty dang amazing. I gotta say, I didn't know how I was gonna go when went in that little divot back there, but then he was able to pull on back up that way.
We just went back here, and the grave digger's beauty. That's what your truck looks like a tractor.
Sometimes.
Oh, okay, we're gonna make it. I'm good. It still does it. Yeah, that's why you buy Revo, bro. Yeah. Oh. Ew. Can you grab it?
Silly rabbit. You can grab it. How about them apples? Why don't you drive to the cave? That would be a cool shot.
Oh, Dad.
Cameron.
It's gone. Grab
hit
it.
the reverse.
It's right there.
Sheesh.
At least it's clean now.
Yeah, it's clean now.
Oh, God. Oh, it shut off.
Yeah, well, it got pretty wet.
I think we toasted it. I think it was worth 2 new subscribers.
2 new subscribers right there. We're doing anything for subscribers. Like, take this for example. Look at this rut. All right, well,
Hey,
as you can see,
you guys come down
it's
here.
about Cameron sized.
Look at that.
That's BS. Throw that in the back of the truck. We'll take that back with us. We don't like litter down here at our nature area. Look at this. Someone was eating a Slim Jim and now it's an ice cube.
Really?
Yeah. Look. Look, it's an ice cube Slim Jim.
How do you feel?
Like I'm in a lowrider?
Showing them how big it is.
Well, that rut's honestly just a little too much for the old Tacoma. If there was no snow, I think we'd make it up, but you can see how the right front tire was just spinning in the snow, and both back tires are just spinning in the mud. Hopefully we can at least get out of here, though.
Yeah, full throttle!
I figured I'd try it in first gear.
Smash him already! There you go!
It's not gonna come down there.
Yeah, it will! You give it some freaking balls! Oh my god. Let me drive! There you go, now back up all the way! Don't give it a little gas, just gun it! Oh, there you go, now back straight up and hit it! Smash it! Yeah!
Cameron, I'm not gonna knock that.
That's the big tree. Oh, let's get this. I'm out here. Howdy, okay. Now that's how it's done, but you still could have just rammed it.
That tree's
How
too
do
big.
you feel?
Well, I don't like to knock trees down.
Put it in second gear. Yeah! Keep going!
I'm gonna hit that tree.
Who cares? Lauren! Full throttle! Yeah! Keep going! Keep going! Hello, it's there! That's it right there! Oh, I almost slipped! Whose car is that? Yeah?
I mean, go ahead and put me on camera, okay? You're really screwing up this area that is not meant for trucks. I mean, can't you do this someplace else?
Yeah.
Well, I wish you would. I mean, come on, this is our last effort in this area to try to keep it nice. You know, I mean, we're driving all the animals out. It's a bird sanctuary.
That's on the other side of the turnpike.
I know where it is,
Okay.
but it's still screwing things up, you know? I mean, let's try to keep it nice for as long as we can.
No, I agree, but it's not really hurting anything to drive down over that hill. I'd like to have a trail to go down to swim. Walk down. Yeah, but how do you think that trail got there?
People walking. You don't need to blaze a trail in this thing.
That's
was
how that
not-
trail got there.
That was not how that
It's
trail
not
ended
how
up
it
there.
happens, though. You don't need to destroy the
This
Please
truck
take
made
this. Please take this to the police. I want them to see this. Our interaction.
Yeah. Sure.
It bothers me that
No,
you're
this is
doing
fine.
this.
This is fine.
That trail
It
was
really
made by
does.
this,
Yeah. Okay.
not people. Well, not.
I mean, it's really not necessary.
Well, it's not necessary. I don't think it's really hurting anything either, though.
Well, it is. It's making a mess of things. It really is. I mean, can't you find someplace else to do it?
I suppose. I should have been filming right away. It was way better.
Getting some style! Oh. Oh! Yo, you gotta tell
You
me!
didn't see the log land there?
Oh, Daddy! Oh, that was awesome. I can't wait to see this footage.